So this is what it looked like in the box here. I have this Echeveria Tray 2-inch containers for 25 varieties here, and they all have name tags on. So, and the other one on the left side here, I have the 49 plug tray, and these are assorted ones, and you don't have the name. So, well, I know some of the names of this one, but the others I don't. So I'm gonna pull this out to the table, and my little helper here is gonna help me take this out. Help me, Aiden. Right, so here it is, the Echeveria 2-inch containers, and I'm gonna take each one out so you can see the names. So I'm gonna start with the one here, and this is called Blue Peril. It's got a lot of soil in between, but you know, you can always clean this up later when I replant them. And this is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can withstand around this type of temperature. But I covered mine even under 4 days, you guys, so to make it really safe. I just love my plants so much, that's why. So here is Blue Pearl. I wonder how many of these blue pearls do we have, so I'm gonna set them aside. And here is, oh, I have this guy here. I know this one, Captain Hay 20.
Captain Hay. You're the superhero.
Superhero Captain Hay, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so I'm gonna put all the 20s in the side here. And then next one, okay, Aiden already claimed that one. And this one, a lot of soil. Blue Ruffles. Really? This is Blue Ruffles? That's cool.
Wait, it's a chip?
Now you're getting hungry. That's Blue Ruffles. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Focus on this. So this is bigger because it's 2-inch. So remember my other one that was this size, and this is the size of this. So you can tell that this one is a big plant. Not very big, but 2-inch size container. Okay, here is the next one. This is a Topsy Turvy. I wonder what type. Cultivar. Wow, I didn't know there's a lot of Topsy Turvy. Maybe it's not a Topsy Turvy because it says cultivar, but it looked like one. You see that? The leaf of it? Kinda like the Topsy Turvy, but it's not. Oh man, I'm so glad I got this one with the labels, because how would I know there's no degrees on this Fahrenheit, how much? But anyways, let's leave it there. Here is the next one, and it has a lot of stuff on it too. This is Lola. Ah, I have another Lola, Aiden.
Cool.
Another Lola. Yay, I have another Lola.
If you don't know what that means, it means grandma.
Yeah, a grandma in Philippines. Lola, yay, I have another one. So, it's beautiful. And this one, the next one here, is Succulents, Morning Beauty. Oh, that was Morning Beauty then. I know I have some of this, but I don't know the name.
So that's when you wake up in the morning?
This is Morning Beauty. 20 degrees, goes on the side here. And this one, I have this in the yard too. This is very hard to grow. It rots so easily. So this one is the Polara. Oh, I thought that was tippy, the pink tips.
Ah, it's more like the sensitive plant.
Yeah, this is Colorata. Wow, now I know its name. Remember those things that I have a lot of this, and then later on they all kind of got sick, and I had to like separate them and put in water. Water therapy. No, actually propagation. And then here is the Blue Waves. Oh, Aiden, do you like this? You guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. Blue Waves. It looked like a imbricata. It looked like an imbricata, kind of. But this is Blue Waves. Beautiful. Another one here is Blue Fairy. Oh, that's so pretty. This is the blue fairy. That's beautiful. Lots of blues. And I think I know what this one is. This is probably Athena. Yeah, I'm not know. Oh, Pollux. Aiden. I don't have this one. That's beautiful. Get that.
Why is it so white and powdery?
Powdery? This is the protection for sunburn, I believe.
So it has its own sunscreen.
Yes.
Same prepared.
And this one, I have this one. Blooming. And this is Leticia. Yes, I have this in my yard. Another one. Here is the next one. This is Blanc. Cute.
Blanc?
Yeah. That's another cute one. See this one? So beautiful. And we're going this one. Here is Prolifica. Look at the babies are like sticking out on its side. Right?
That's weird. You got 3 of them.
Yes. Oh, now Aiden, I have another one in the end. So I got like 4 of them about to stick out.
4 for the price of 1.
Yes, thank you. That's nice. So most of this I have it in my left side are all 20 degrees Fahrenheit. I haven't seen any more 30. I only got 2. Moonglow. Wow, beautiful.
I thought it said mango.
Mango.
I'm in a different angle.
Okay, here, that's Moonglow. That's pretty. And gotta go this side here. Another one here is Cultivar. Wow, they have so many names. Ooh, what was that?
A big rock. Oh no, it wasn't a rock.
Look at that.
Wow.
Propagate that one, baby. So that's Cultivar. Alright. This one, what is this guy? Jewel Tone. Cute.
No. Look, it looks exactly like this one.
It looked like, no, they're not. See? Almost.
Oh.
Wow, that's cute. It has a baby coming out there or a floret. And now let's move on to the next one. Alright, what is this guy? Elegance Blue.
So many blues. We can have the blue army.
I have this. That's what it's called, Elegance. I don't know what it was. And
What is the red pot?
This is another Echeveria. Setosa Arrow. Oh, I didn't know that one I have was an Echeveria. This is the one that has, it feels like a felt paper or something. It's cushy and it has bunch of, feel it. See that?
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper. It's fuzzy. See? It's fuzzy. That's Setosa Arrow. That's cute. 20 degrees again. This one is...
Why is the red pot?
I don't know, right? One is like red.
It's like they ran out of pot. It was like,
Minima.
oh no.
Ooh, that's a minima.
I thought it was like something special with it, like I had a superpower or something.
Probably ran out of the black ones. And this one is the one that's left behind. And this is the minima. Beautiful thing. And here is the water ripple. Cute. Look like cabbage, huh?
Yeah, cabbage, great.
Alright. I'm gonna put this one here because that's the done one.
Alright.
Here is
Blanc. There's no name in it.
no
Oh.
Echeveria cultivar. Huh.
So many cultivars. There's so many blues, Echeveria,
Yeah.
so much.
Well, it looked like an Echeveria, but it is a Echeveria. But it's a rose. I love them. Cute. This one. Another Echeveria. Graptopetalum. Ruby. Ooh, I don't
The
have
ruby
this.
ain't an ore.
Alright, here. That's beautiful. Ruby, Aiden. Huh?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna move the Graptoperia on this side here. Move this one for the Echeveria. Here's the
We're running out of
Graptoperia, and
room.
this one is Ruby. That's beautiful, Aiden.
Yeah.
You guys, which one you like? This one or this one? I like both.
Pick one.
This one. Let's see this one. Peacock.
A
Peacock?
I think it was a peacock.
Let's make it beautiful sounding. Peacock. I don't know.
The peacock.
Peacock. Oh wow.
The
Look
peacock
at that.
plant.
That's cute.
It
huh?
sort of does look like a peacock, with like the
Yes.
things if it was larger.
The what you call that?
The big brushes.
Here is the next one. Here, I'll put that here. And this one is, oh, it's got a flower.
Fishing pole.
This is Mensa.
That looks like a fishing pole.
Echeveria Mensa. I almost pulled this one. I was pulling the crinkled paper.
To me, it looks
I pulled in this one. I'm like, oh no.
it looks like a fishing pole.
Cute, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Ooh, look at the pretty thing. Alright, let's go
Now
on
the final
this
one.
Final last one. Okay, this is Blue Atoll.
Oh,
We
great.
have a lot of this thing.
And
I got this, guys. So easy to behead, and they just make more babies as soon as you behead the mama plant, and it just grows babies everywhere on the side. So this one, I love them because I get a lot of babies on this one. In my other videos coming up, I'm gonna show you what the beheaded ones look like, and it's what I have around the house that are a lot and easy, and they grow really good. So that's this one now. So
we have another
and
tray.
then for another tray, I'm gonna have to move on to the next video.